Today, we're going to speak about a very important topic. What is actually a stock? So most people think about a stock as a virtual financial instrument. You buy it with the intent to basically flip it later at a higher price. Well, to me, that's exactly the wrong way to look at it. A stock is actually a business. When you buy a stock, you're buying a business. You're becoming a part owner of a business. Therefore, to evaluate a stock, you have got to evaluate the business. Let's take an analogy. Imagine you're evaluating a sports team and you're actually trying to pick the team that's going to win it all. What are some of the considerations? What are some of the factors that you will look at to pick that team? Well, obviously, we're going to look at the coaching staff, we're going to look at the management, we're going to look at players, we're going to look at track records, at schemes. There is a lot to pick the best team. Well, it's exactly the same thing when you evaluate a stock. First, you have to look at the management team, the board of directors, their governance. Second, what makes this company different? How do they compete? What is their edge? Third, you have got to look at the industry dynamics. Who is this company competing against? Fourth, let's look at the numbers. Do the financials make sense? And then fifth, are you getting a good deal at where the stock is trading right now? Bottom line, there is a lot of factors to consider when looking at stocks. It's a lot of hard work, but I promise you, it can be very rewarding. Stay tuned, because in the next videos, we're gonna cover exactly the steps to analyze stocks in details. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time.